Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing the trailer on jack stands and chalking the opposite wheels, safety first. Once stable, remove the wheel to expose the hub and locate the ABS sensor harness. Disconnect the trailer power or battery before you touch the connector to avoid shorting anything. Spray the sensor bolt with penetrating oil so it turns easier, then use the appropriate socket to loosen the retaining fastener. Make sure to keep the wiring clip accessible for the next step. Once the bolt is out, gently twist and pull the sensor straight from the hub. Avoid bending the tip. If it's stuck, apply more penetrating oil and use a soft pry to work it loose. Patience prevents damage. Inspect the tone ring and sensor tip for rust, debris, or missing teeth. These cause false readings. Clean the mating surfaces and test the sensor with a multimeter for continuity and resistance. A shorted or open reading means replace. If resistance is within spec, new wiring may be the issue. You install the new sensor by seating it fully in the hub, securing the retaining bolt to the manufacturer's torque, and applying dielectric grease to the connector to prevent corrosion. Route and clip the harness so it won't rub or snag. Reinstall the wheel, lower the trailer, and reconnect the power. Start with a slow test drive to confirm the ABS light clears and the trailer brakes behave normally. If the light stays on, check the connector for corrosion or bent pins, and verify the sensor air gap. Clean or adjust.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.